Automating accounting to ease your inventory management, optimize how you keep your account records, and manage every aspect of your business with the AI-powered accounting tool. Automating and simplifying accounting. Keeping track of your accounts and inventory has never been this easy. Onpassive's accounting is an AI-enabled tool built to specifically simplify and automate the tedious task of bookkeeping and inventory management. This online accounting software is designed to be the one-stop solution for any business. Accounting is easy to use and understand with a user-friendly interface that gives easy access while keeping every data secure. With customizable features to suit your business needs, the accounting tool can be expanded to track the accounting needs of multiple branches with ease. Capable of handling huge data sets, accounting is the perfect accounting tool to skip manual errors and maintain every record effortlessly. Suitable for every business size, accounting helps you keep track of each transaction and builds you a robust database that you can look back on at any time you need. Accounts payable. Know more about accounting. Accounting is an online accounting software dedicated to providing users with a one-stop solution for accounts and its various other relative activities. This is an extremely effective tool that helps to automate the tedious task of maintaining your inventory correctly. Accounting enables users to maintain a record of sales, purchase orders, invoices, chart accounts, cost centers within a well-designed dashboard, making it easy to keep track of payables and receivables. Its easy-to-use interface enables users to take care of multiple accounts with respect to locations, ensuring that maintaining a daily record for multiple branches is stress-free. Enabled with smart features, accounting eases your accounting management needs by allowing you to access all information from anywhere you wish. Its multi-currency features gives you the leverage to go global, hassle-free. Key features of accounting. Accounting gives you that unparalleled ease and efficiency that you deserve with all your accounting needs, spanning from inventory management, recording receivables, payables, monitoring expenses, and so much more. Accounting redefines every accounting aspect for you. Some of these features include view and update branch inventory from anywhere, access SSO or single sign-on integration for inventory management, USP or unique selling point, handle multiple accounts in different locations, update the order processing, account receiving and payable details, avail multi-currency policy. These are some of the frequently asked questions with regards to accounting. What is the abbreviated term for debit and credit? The debit abbreviation is DR. Credit abbreviation is CR. How many types of business transactions are there in accounting? There are two types of transactions in accounting, revenue and capital. What is the balance sheet? It is a statement that states all the liabilities and assets of the company at a certain point. What is TDS? TDS stands for Tax Deduction at Source. It is introduced to collect text from the company to ascertain where the employee income is generated. What is GST? GST stands for Goods and Service Tax. It is an indirect tax other than the income tax. It charges on the value of the service or product sold to a customer. The customer or clients pay the GST and the seller deposits the GST with the government. Some countries have sales service tax, which works more or less the same as GST. What is a bank reconciliation statement? A reconciliation statement is prepared when the passbook balance differs from the cash book balance. A passbook is also known as a ledger or bank book. What are the different names of accounting? There are 3 types of accounting: financial accounting, management accounting, and cost accounting. What are the different types of accounts involved in double entry bookkeeping? Double entry bookkeeping includes 5 types of accounts: income accounts, expense accounts, asset accounts, liability accounts, capital accounts. What is a general ledger account? The general ledger records all the company's financial data, including debit and credits. What are the important cost controlling techniques? Important cost controlling techniques are budgetary control, labor control, material control, standard costing, overhead control. What activities are included in the cash flow statement? The cash flow statement shows the cash generated and used during the year or months. Various activities that are involved for the cash flow are operating activities, business activities accounting to cash, investing activities, sale and purchase of equipment or property, financial activities, purchase of stock and own bonds, supplemental information, exchange of significant items that don't involve cash. What is account receivable? A short-term amount due from buyer to a seller who have purchased goods or services from the seller on credit is referred to as account receivable. What is a ledger? A ledger can be referred to as an accounting book that keeps the record of journal entries in chronological order to individual accounts. The process of recording this journal entry is known as posting. What are liabilities? Liabilities can be defined as an obligation towards another company or party. It may consist of delivering goods, rendering services, or paying money. They are the opposite of assets, and it may include account payable, interest and dividend payable, bonds payable, consumer deposits, reserves for federal taxes, and short-term loans. What is double entry bookkeeping? Double entry bookkeeping is a principle of accounting where every debit entry has a corresponding credit. Therefore, the total debt is equal to the total credit. What is working capital? Working capital is calculated as current assets minus current liabilities, which is used in day-to-day trading. What are some of the ways to estimate bad debt? Some of the popular ways of estimating bad debts are the percentage of outstanding accounts, aging analysis, percentage of credit sales. What is retail banking? Retail banking or consumer banking involves a retail client where individual customers use local branches of larger commercial banks. What are the trade bills? These are the bills generated against each transaction. It is a part of the documentation procedure for all types of transactions. Which account is responsible for interest payable? The current liability account is responsible for interest payable. What is a perpetual inventory system? Perpetual inventory is a methodology that involves recording the sale or purchase of inventory immediately using enterprise asset management software and computerized point-of-sale systems. What is executive accounting? Executive accounting is specifically designed for service-based businesses. This term is popular in finance, advertising, and public relations businesses. What is a compound journal entry? A compound journal entry is just like other accounting entries. The only difference is that it affects more than 2 account heads. How do I differentiate between provision and reserve? Provisions. This refers to keeping the money for a given liability, in short, expenses. Reserves refers to retaining some amount from the profit for future use, in short, profits. What is bad debt expense? Bad debt expense is an asset accounts receivable of a company and is uncollectible accounts expense or doubtful account expense. What are the different accounting concepts? The most popular accounting concepts are 26 dot accounting period concept, business entity concept, cost concept, dual aspect concept, going concern concept, matching concept, money measurement. What is a credit note? A credit note is a receipt given to a buyer who has returned a product by the seller or shop. This intimation suggests that the buyer's account is being credited for the purpose indicated. What is the total accounts receivable in the below transaction? All entries related to accounts receivable. 28 dot accounts receivable equals 20,000. Income from selling CCTV camera, 42,000. Billing fixing services, 10,000. Accounts receivable, 60,000. Hence, here are the total calculations of accounts receivable, 20,000 plus 42,000 plus 10,000 plus 60,000 equals 132,000. What will be included in current assets? We will include the following things: closing inventory, bank and cash value, supplies, account receivable. Here are the addresses that we currently have for Onpassive. Our CEO is stationed in this building in Orlando, Florida in the USA, and our IT hub is in Hyderabad in India, and we are looking to expand globally as well. Please remember to subscribe, comment, like and share if you found this information valuable. And thank you for joining us to learn more about this phenomenal business opportunity and fantastic product called Accounting, brought to you by Onpassive. Our slogan is, we are in it to win it. Until next time, be blessed.